little adventurers! Today, we're going on a shapes and colors safari. Get ready to explore the jungle and discover all the different shapes and colors around us. Let's go! Look over there! It's a red circle. Red like a juicy apple and round like a ball. Next, we see a yellow triangle. Yellow like the bright sun and shaped like a slice of cheese. Over there, it's a blue square. Blue like the clear sky and shaped like a gift box. Wow, a green rectangle. Green like fresh grass and shaped like a door. Look at that! It's a purple oval. Purple like a tasty grape and shaped like an egg. And there, we see an orange star. Orange like a juicy orange and shaped like the stars in the sky. A pink heart. Pink like a pretty flower and shaped like a heart you draw. Wasn't that an exciting safari? We found so many shapes and colors in the jungle. Remember, you can find shapes and colors everywhere you go. Thanks for joining us on our Shapes and Colors Safari. See you on our next adventure!